ke ban jamatene ke chira loy ne damana kloar kana ne wi kero war jilo pen war jilo kana ke ganang report chi loy pane chol Canberra ku report kene chi jam that ye koy kwon ke Sudanese kwon ke ga ke pyo da ne pane ne ngo wo je ben ba etin ku wo chi lo na skuli wo je tok wo non ko je pye ku tong chi re re de di de ke chol loy yo ne loy yo ne loy ri ba de chen loy yo e kene chi ko ju je chi ya question re di ta ke je ti re yo ngura loy yo ngwa yo kene ka ban jam tin ne ku le ka ban jam tin ne ke ye ni ri re wo loy chi do yo ku an be jam ya dan ke chol kwen chan wo chi re wo le ku chu ku pye a chira wo che pye ba den wo che kwen ko ju ku wo ka che kwen ke na ba ju yo ngore je chol kwen ku an be jam ya dan ne ke chol yo lo ya dan e dan wan ko che de re an chi be jam te me jare me jam te tin de di nin chan tek tin chan ka ba ga le la ka chan ga tek tin ke kar ba nyuon ni ten ba gol ne ke chol kwen chan ne ke di ne wo jam wo che pye chira wo che pye ba da non ga kin ku ka pye ka won chu ga be da yo ne pye da ko wer to ka ba le we non ke chol how to create a job ba lo cha kana chin to kul bi ne kong you think there's no school that will teach you how to create a job ina pyo je basic aka ti won ba ga ni ga pyo yin ba de nin che ja yen kriye je ban ba ja jor ko le nga de lor ba kana jala lo to bi ne la lo ti ne ke kana ye jala use ne nom jala ta ke ya kor ba le ke cha le nong da man yin jan kong jam ko lo ka ka chen ya le yin ga cha ko ja ga cha mane ko ke ga cha kana kena kor bu ya very creative chan bu lo credit ke ya kor le ten ka waja che to lo ye ga lo ke lui ga work instead bi aka waja yin ka lo work so po bi ya wo ye ka lo for us then bi aka waja yin ka lo work it doesn't make any sense bi ka waja wo bu kun bo bu lo it doesn't make any sense and ku kana nong ne riak ditari lo no work riak won ka wo riak ro da chi lo pet because that and pay ga bu lo work ke yana ke chire ken lele ke anong loy ko na lor manaza ku lor man ka long loy ke yo ke lula ka lui ke anong for example anong ke deni cho sell a chen lo di ke chu loy e cho Sudanese Australian integrated learning yene loy credit I think that back in 2004 or me or 2 or 6 or something like that that man gonna get share road loy running a chairman ku ke mo ka waja woni cho Matthew nge loy credit ke girlfriend no one gonna yen a che to school ke university student go bun go bana buna che bogo je posters je no at pan ko school ke kor kwon ko won be mi ke Sudanese no family ba ne to ke no mi ke doro ha ke to ke nwan ku ka ke ko ke pe ben ba etana so no ga ji ke nwan ke go bun ne ke na ke la lwang ne ke la tin ne go bun ne go posters go to je school ke kor tutors ko no mi ko ne bang school chena wene cho Matthew kina che logo ting poster kene girlfriend go logo charke go tinge ke nyar ka bi ko kun abla ben nyal ko kun ge ne ko nye ne chol cake on jere ke bla kun ge ne a che program chol sell a che bla credit cho Sudanese Australian integrated learnings ne rin ge rin piadarit but ye nga ke chala ke chok e ka waja yene ye go da do chanera and no very good understanding go mo ran pe ni changret a chi lu go le ser bi en ga ne ka waja be program ran na we ka kara no we be dom to ku la twen ne yen ku wonong twan dan to no work ku ka ban ga jam ke ro ke cho how to create a job ku how to work together is skill ga go chu ka lum ku kin ga lum ku ka ku wa kin pi ka ka ro akor bu ga data yung important in ti den ga kor bu ni rana chol Matthew kina che program che rana didere lo Australia wide ban sel atoko didere one volunteers ko wona luya ba ke che ga dom ku yene apply for funding ayen funding manasa ku ka mi ko ayi ga jor anonga pia ko tinge wona ko chi ga ting chane na e ke lui rana ko pe for example ya ko le ke the volunteering kara na bene open ran one kor time de la volunteer but daman la gambe lui be la lui ba ke de wo ku ke yinga ga jara lui tin ga ke ala ben yiran ga la lui ko won to ga predators ko won yar bi ga la ta chen mi ti kor ala bi ga la lui tin ten ko le ka lui ka ku ka chen lunga ka la pin ku le wai chu ko kor aliu ko ka ala bi ga la lui tin ko le ka kon ga mi ku ka non ka ko le bi ga la lui mi ko ya dang mi ko chen wa ga chiang ke ne kek whereby na non ka chira lui met ga ma da le to ri bu le un man un met un de o mande chi le lekin because ari cha le no ora chi le gam chan wa chen chiang ke mi ko e ka ka le bi la lo ye program chira ka yi ku ka chu ke be de na chen met chi lo program chira ka hello pe da chi ka wa ja la pio ko ku ke ya ka ko pio ke ye ne ka ban ga be jam ko da ke bala duwa ke ne e ke chol chang a juer chira ke na la ban ke di da wai ala ko ju ja le ko lo en ke ten lo en ga chatin a ju go de da bang chir ka ti che ban chir ka da manasa ala bi ko ju ja le bi ko lo ku ke idea ben ran tong nom or ko ke ro che ke chen mar ku ko ga le bi program le bi lo ye tajir everything ben a business chin ka ba tong so ku ke cha ken la den ba ka ba very strategic in say ba ya passionate about something le ko kana ni ar ko bu lo ku ka chen action ba do delivered be ken lo ka chin ku kun ko so ke ya ko le ken na mat ku wachin ku wal bu lo ko al bu ko credit to work for ourselves a community damanasa for example in war ki ban gina community dana Sudanese Australian communities kada no in Victoria achi yen gi chir 1 million ba etene kada Victoria alone o ga ka ku nyiji ka lo ga ala big program ga ala big credit for example ya do ile ko la ko dir ko achi nenge cho social isolation whereby ben ke chin to men ke ni ma mat ene ke cho ke dan no mi ko kaka kene ka chare ku kaka akwa luwe ba etina ke cho leading into what I call mental illness trying to anyone ko ni me duruba ka la dom ba na nyije ka lo ka we can benefit our community ku kaka program you got funded by etina e ka ku na ran chin man dien ku ran da ku madu wa chende wal ku lo ku dan lu registered in any registration association in a core for funding and public liability aja ku na wo ga ya tinga ku nim kwa ga tika ko kin ga yu na ka waja are you go registered for no reason whereby you are reporting to the Department of Consumer Affairs and you're not even doing anything at all so in the baga chonga ba choto ko chilu registered ku tomar ku ya running a core way for the sake of kwandun kimana ko wi go ga nyar ka rin ga kwat we can do that, that's fine but ke ya koro let's organize effective what I call effective community organization. One of the things now korbaka lui please do la lui when ranchen we pion mer la koran won niare ka dun niar or ran won diere ka dun indier ken or ran won nye ka dun nye ken ko mat ko wechen we be nye lui apet bana la ko be na wan kwan ku ka dun ku ken ko na da I'm not interested but because in janye and kibula one yin try to find someone who is passionate about what you're passionate about. You get along together, you can do a great job. For example, na jara ni ranchi kidin chola bagwata ranchi electricians che kweran lui karaba. Acha kwen kwa cha kwen. Kuyena kor bugu loge trades, yan bugu wa contracted. Kiyena ran gena la kor, anchi la korana accounting, ran accounting bugu la yo ala chene business a chen jala dir wa ba accounting bugu diala kor. This is ngane alogo, this is how we create a job. Alo go logo lui contracted ke wa electrician wala lui companies ke ne go wa contracted bu la lui bu karba la lui ne nong city council and nong other big businesses ko wa la domu na chi ke da chi dira la tawala chi wala pechi ro ko wa del korea accountant wa ko administrators ko on be telephone bu ya jor ko on be booking a lui e ko ka bu ko dia lui a create job and nong Vietnamese ba ite na marasa for example rantung de ko ke na bi ya dakator so now you get the gato or ka bil lo to ala lo mata kitchen ku massage pa de liep ko tok ku lo ko jur ko penyor bi yi whatever they can afford ku na chiga massage pa de liep to ko bi luiten administration bu ko bi telephone dom you I keep ya Sudanese or I keep ya kawaja ra ya Vietnamese. This is what I was saying before. This is how we create a job. So for our own community members rather than bu ko yala korok bu ko bu ala koroloilo non jur ko. This is a skill that you would you. No one will teach you that. Yeni adamba la du kere kwen waje kwen because waje kwen that yen an korba when title when you ping up the ready detail and korba dictor lawyer all these all for professions when you were think or community development for example but you need that you got no connection with that with that course when you know in incompatible in ki kong la one yen at all we ki kong ping in watch one yen and a la le drupa la dom te loy e kaka ayaga tinga kwe kwen kene kwen ko lo kene yira na bana non ki chol gift and talents a chiran chin nyik chat kong le ko lang le la ki chol non ko jang le an ji pi ra na ben ga ji pi chiran ken pi nyindu a wa kene nyin to kene yen nyindu ngene ko dun nyik ko or ko nier pi ndo ko wona lo kene godu ye loy a chak ba we pin yin ye lo yin yar in man wasaka please lo non ko chol ko cleaning loy non ko city council lo an ke non cleaning company lo gonna work you contracted I think I'm get 100 and something dollars a month because I know multiple buildings talking to work manang a lot of buildings you can clean it you can cleans ku business you can clean gaka I cost around get 200 and something or more than that a month so na ya na ya ruon dar ke u ke le yo e won gagarit so Quran gonna mana ci koko ci lu mon Macedonia for bajale we mon Macedonia ku ko ci lu a ce Sudanese or a ce ka wajada Macedonian sa kokin so Quran gonna won u je ya dom so yen kide ne ci la ku ne su kule tare yen ke ne kiloi that bring me down to what I call Quen because I check lab them kicha Queen yen yilu la yotin so na ja Quen accounting don't think that me ja me teeth in accounting can ba lu jala you no you getting it wrong. Make sure local loy kogia danga man. Because no get your transferable skill. Because kudun jakwen gonna recognize non koko. But remember, it's not about what you know, it's about who you know. Because who you know make a different impacts, make a better impacts. Because ranich, in kala be corpin. Because ranich ingala be kinyi chala benyi. But now lo le ke kinye ka chira ni chinyi daru. So can all of a local pianga tam ga rete dite ba record ba ya no lui ki cho networking is very important rete dite chan bara koran won yi chin a chin ga pia da chire kana ayin la yo ka won chi la ba do yo en ke cho ga da ngal bira la lera an won le bi la lo ye kul chin chiman won ja lo pe nyala rere ran kana ye na chi le bi go la lo dara bara le bi la recommend no ran de nyi le ran kana ran yi go ga ran yi lo ya bet adol ene ka loy do yo ba etene ne bang ko ko ne woni alwel kene ne mi ju ko manasa abeneng mikila rete gite ene ne jamon mi ju che mi ko wa su ni do wo mo jang ka pe na mikila mi ju jana mikila na jamon mi somalin ku jam mi ko migrant or refugees ka ba etene chan wa bona culture ene ko loy ina loy ka dun bet ka ba loy che ka yita yino ka laro ka ni yin ni loy e ka yira ne chi dit or arwa ka ni yin ka yen yar en ka yi loy e culture ajaret mi juju manasa kor parent ka chimento ka lo le yen le parent ya lo ba lui ba ga be nursing be loy ku yena man riem branting to ka te ra ba le do pio do ko men che lo ya uka ko wa rite man be kana la kwen na le kwen mi ku chela lo mi chi le le chana chin yar chi lo ka ni yen so ke chol ke le ira na ga yin lo ba le la cha lo la ba ko le ba jwer chana kana ka jaman ga tin bana aga tia ka ne na chi jam ko pe and 2006 on ban ba etene ana bokan de kura ma ba re jin di de cha lo ji chire mana so now on kan jibla high school na la la ke kurbi ata de la tier wuto gola re kwane bokan to de ber africa ana la de ber da africa tenda an jibrech kula la galiwa chin ke cho la de la tier wuto en am kong la pen so kurun che ana bokan no run ge tier ku ber kene ge donge chi konyen ba la tier ga run chen australia ene ke konyen ba la de la tier o de la tier wuto ku kene gam ana ji kong la tef ke yena chibala lo lo yen ingling do piat ku yin okay wona ka ku lo ke so ya tinga je lo la jin mikila il bin beto tef lor high school e utandi ne cha yo kana wala ke chira ku wala ku gam to ku lar high school ke yen ke chi utal wel nge yu gam so na la high school da wala la gwal de tier ka cha bud lo de tier utok de tier uro cha bud lo bara ken lo len piadaret aben go ye cool ku bera yo ko lo high school garage che need for it cha yo very shallow pure in high school e pure chin gidi de pure in high school da baita I don't know man the cool ka chi gare high school ba ne ga Africa you primary school high school go Africa chin school da ba e school ruru so kena chan high school cha bud lo ba it wa ken bitom lo ken yar bara cha bud lo chan ba tok ku yen ke ye ko na chan de theoro ju tul da wala ke le bala university e yo ke pathway ba de chiran di ne chini that anan dol ko bin lo university ke la de bala kare ke la de bala high school so cha bud lo ku ka ken lo ke an mit pio na ngen because courses ke karo ku na ken ka be yo ya nge ya danga dida de bang school je che ran bene tinge ngari na tinge ke nonga ti durium system e be ko wa kuna bar system je dide ke ko nwan for example team den chil won tera ka to ko pira pya ta ke yin mangok ku bala ko nyen tar bay o ku bala chom de da pe ku cha ga ta tia ke ne tio mun ten tin ke ka ko ne ga la nwan e la de me piok e la de tinga nang luai di de ko ret tio ba be ko yi ko re chana go me da go la pe nyen de ke tio pe kuna kilo ya banyin ti de yen ke team kana dial to so the same thing no ran chi cook chi la pa da pe e ki ko nwan rin chi ma na team che jor te de ne ten tin ku le team de le te da pe so kana chene pa an kana chi ko ji bunwan including myself and we are very struggling but I did manage it but to ko dole tiyo ro bara chin gi che choi yotin ai tiyo ko lan dan chi belatin ke ya na ke chire kana lo wan chan to kana chin mo yer ke ba queen truth has to be told yi la ga ler ana ku ki ba queen career ke cho how to choose your career something very hard to choose ko inwan so then an chin mo yer go la mo ruon lom pin ko ba yongan ber tinga ke ba queen Kiyana na jigwem ya na luye kede na chol office work na luye the IT departments so whereby no where you computers all the electrical appliances aka you are cameras and all the other thing electronic devices so department gonna get luye and office work but I was doing very well and I love you one cake so can I can be inspired because I'm very good at it ke chol and technical very good can I nyai luye pet I nyai dede go I nyai luye so can go and inspire what you call you lawyer IT can a nyai loy go la larthin so yen IT yen a nyai loy but an chin patch na chan yar keep you ne chin yar but I nyai loy na ja yoga nyai loy but I chan yar chen ke corpion that's not who I am. I'm not a computer person or I'm not a person that can sit down dealing with a computer. I want to deal with people than computers. So attend a while I jabal loy ke chi ruon ga diek now lating ya I didn't other options. Kuacha the agala thing no you could ensure technical security and you satellite you could ensure communications communication channels. Jaman you could ensure jaman you could ensure CCTV alarm system ka cha ba wala kwena side ke part of it. It wasn't bad but I wasn't enjoying it at all. Until 2014, ko dear for sunshine and Lord, and you were dear kana. I never thought that something like loy chicken of Nangala yutin. What you got your cock Brimbank City Council or Angelo your cock Brimbank City Council. Keke non program the natural made in Brimbank natural music and dance events. And sunshine, Kichi day 23 by Diak 2014. Chayo, no round, and Louis gonna cock Brimbank City Council go book le walk with the back of Babu Pool. Gwala ko lo application na lo submitted ko ko ke dir kana na mar da ni chulo lo ko mane wo dir kene tem go bu lo da ya lere ya dem ya la wo jur ko rather than bu ya dir holi wa ko go gam ko lo ko kana bu ya lo so what you chola ten ko Brimbank City Council on channel application submitted all go chol bu la dir bu ya performing so na lo go dir wala ke wanang ting de chola is rate e lo kene ko chol ko ke chol Spectrum Migrant Resource Center a lo kene ke so now logo you ten ka jaling in a all. Part of networking when you are really very important. It's not about what you know, it's about who you know. Alice read a chin wajaling when you enter Guaja Quen Jana Chen, Kawaja and Yara Anti, no logo ngoban, Guaja and Jalolo IT. I think you're doing a wrong course, what do you mean? go lele te chane tieng tinu ku kan welke tinu ku kan yar ke piondu jele this is what I call community development. So rather than by continue with IT, why don't you change to community development? Because that's who you are and you will do very well. You will love it. So yeah, like community development on Token High School I can comping. So I don't know I check I don't like you ke. So I just local explore online. Well, UK very interesting course. So gwala apply. Kulele then I apply me. Again I'll write what I call a support letter. Gwala ka that it. Chanin ke queen. So I just apply ke community development. Ku ngare ku go akere go jel ke support letter je gor. Anjibla gam ko Victoria University. So en ga kwen man jaman wona we kene ke ana ke chire kene lwel e ke chol kwen e kos kene ko la kwen ke ni aron der abrala taw chitede e ya dangalon kene ban la luwa la you in the community development field. I will do to the best of my ability because in ke near piondia and I will enjoy every single minute, every hour, every second of it because chimana lo luwa lo lon won chi ni ar won wa kene yin in be board. Alu in a library, manasa, but lon library. Not bad, but environment itself, that's not where I want to be. Because there's I can get yellow in it. I want to be there, but the good thing is I'm helping people, but I want to be more involved than by Alu Loilo Tiko Rankor Balu Lon Gakaret or Lonuni. I think my actions is helping someone. Getting a car, but that's who I am. So part of kwe kwene can mu juji manaza mu yanga le wana ke ga parent can go push brala kwene ke yi tinga piat kene ke para che ga nier met me nyana Ethiopia na yoga ko alu le korba kwene ke den show electrician be alu karaba ko alu parent ke no rajarit che kre nyir ke ro yanga work. That's really wrong. Na nong ra nong mentality chire ke inji mendo disadvantage mu ju ko wana daga mana chiro wa chera an kara yoga pi de jiri yakwan emi ka ka nang nyindi da rete dite kiran chin nyik man won jara lwel. But problem is they try to fulfill their parent expectation as well as their expectation. Very hard to do things. Na korba ko pa nun miet piot kinye ja piot chi piot miet. True that to be told. I don't got no problem. Ambala by parent at the time one time. But Mikila, Mandy, I don't want kidney air pionium be Mandy loy. I can't be kidney air pionium beloy because the antibator life they forever. So can I NP our man the by individual choice. Nong by it in a human initial raising children Australia, ja Queen or Aunt, you come visit a website already did. You pure how to talk how to raise your children. Especially how to make your children choose. Not you choosing for them, let them choose. Let them make a choice. Because how to make a decision rather than you making a decision for them. Because how long are you going to be making a decision for them for? I don't know counseling counseling. I thought that there's something in a jam and I jam you tingle pick up No. But counsel to all you be decision to below. A suggestion a you gamin could be I ain't making choice. Don't make a decision for someone. Don't choose for someone. Because now wrong decision you pure the out. I told you that a relationship kangaroo in life. Make sure back like yin. Your career and your relationship. Make sure you are very close with who you are. Don't choose them outside your box. Because I'm not bong there. And box kun you get ticks. So now log a outside your box. Young got you very dull. If you have been one. Ananga you back a little canoe. Nano ran dear end. I'm happy to add more. But abu kojitan chandam and a video bear wachak or bear go cockle 10 of. In a gonna wake. Make sure don't choose thing for your children. Make sure let someone choose. Let someone make a decision. But aren't your lui? Eke when you think of Piazza yen. Duku lakur the loy chana kichu queen. I share lad them balua yon a kitcha queen a chicken I cheat on ya. Kitcha queen la balua yoka watch you gonna kitcha queen. A canon yaka piazza loy benke in a kikijun ja queen even in a kaya core. A colon can I not get you called you lawyer and a non colon and a che and a chibangi a yok till local quinian chan and a lucan and a loy initial administrations. Did you know? Can queen, can loy come and jam away I cannot queen. To be honest with you, that's the bottom line. I can get a queen. But the end because of who I know or who knows me. Any connection. I'm interested. I'm happy to share. yena chabe yogo len chi loy ko chi advertise ko human resource ke den cho HR go lo le ta into one PD, which is position descriptions. Go applicants go when you apply for the job go kala confused. So now look apply ke loy achila juiret or description a cannot clear non koko. So a lot of application came through. 264 application. Kana chebri nam. Go ayo ko le yen kwanyen baka sort out. Chane busy kene ka ke loy ke go la ka peda. So now like a sort out. And you be your application a koko ko ke apply ke ko chari na la ba go nyi. Kuja ko yi ko kan be dollar it kene surat ka ayaga taw ni kene ni chole resume nam. Achiran current place. No one need your photo. Your photo that will be discriminated easily. One of the thing. Kena achi live history they are going to say okay initial key selection criteria. Most of professional jobs are correct initial key selection criteria. Key selection criteria ngo aka woni ka kor ni pio aya gwata in a relationship context. Non koko na korbala gok or korba gok wona mo kininya kaka no ga yigo kor no ran ni chi kuran pio do riak in chi kuran ter in chi kuran ko kun jaga le ga tuo le ga duor bi a chi kor or maybe in chi kuran woni ko nyong ran to ri chin kaka chi kor kuna le bana le ran gene kaka chop in chi la twen woni yen put it that way in case your key selection criteria ka woni yigo kor wo na bi go ben ran gene ku yo ke chen ran won kor pio ndu ga chi cho chi lui the same thing no employers ke anon ka yiga kor non in ki employee so na chala bena le ku yuki ni ran wa chen ran kor ka chi gam regardless whatever application chachar so can in application you can but make sure be more attractive ago you can chol first bana ja kwegor yongada ne kor le le ga chirwa pa ne jeng war pa ne jeng ne ka jala different ile bala different ba gwata in that context call a different kuna laga debre ja le imben wana cha bet ko or na boy ko wala bindu ko wala de betuk barim la bana le cha chwe li woni yin wala ban ga rege ko ga rach ashe la le ko the same equipment kan yin ato kan yin but the problem is in ku channel yin ra ke takes in and maybe I know them that's why ala ban wara ju the same thing na lo yin ba de yin ba nye to ga pet yin ba nye ga ta pet a lot of good a lot of good documents or resume whatever you ka kun jala loy. But if you don't know how to address the job, my friend, when you think in your barga so make sure you address the key selection criteria if you're applying for a professional job. Make sure the initial description clearly because your diverse background. And now aja ko de te jalio elwet mal lo mana lo because yen anara na panda pay ne 2012 on your go city council a cheating to ne banje ju lo an kor kun kor Sudanese kun because yen ga an yar be ko gi kun bi luit ne e wa kunyin ke customer service because na to ko ne ko gi benete the majority ke ko kun ben kuna bi ko yi deal ne ka wajat ke ga che happy ke because service bi yen ke ga ala bi ko pioda ku kene tere bay abi letter lo bay damane banana randon luiten ke live in show easier because you bakanga ba geri tongdon ku yenda your present that show that in we ko copy so kene yena chi ko judgment organization ju Australia tin ku jaga businesses I identify that employing someone from a diverse background is very important in terms of customer service. So don't forget to mention your backgrounds. It's very important where you come from or language you will because by multilinguals it's better than by monolingual because you na la luiwena kawaja one of the things make you stand out because you speak another language so make it easy for them to recruit you rather than brala gwera and luera and jam tong kawaja kaman ge tong to en jam ngeni so make sure read the job description and job description the Quran una gwelo tong de pay or mention someone from another diverse background very important very important yaga ko kwene kaka kati ga ka bogaram gane wek ja lo le pan chi social media or ti man ngete pien ko riyo nan ko to America Canada Australia wherever a chile ben wo do yo lo ke forum brand ka chile ben ko do yo bana social media ken ko do yo ken ka ban ga de ti ke yen ko jamari da arabia ya chana ba ting background yen jaman tin arabia kwa non ko ju chi ya loy no nge na ja ku non ko ko the reason is Arabia is quieter it because marayat can get noise you control outside. So whereby noise a chill about ping in a tairie, but not one cock imping noise. Utaji then quality nura chip yabaret. So in Chilabara and Ting of Pedro Kilweran, Kaka Jaman Garabia, but a non coco jacqui, and I think where the HDL cojaten. Wait a late in a gatina car, I'm going to wake. Now, long the bad jow, about the Eljo wake at the man, the way I can away.